bustling transportation and service industries. Meet Mark from PROCOM.
Hi Jim, welcome to PROCOM. I hear you're interested in our GPS system for your fleet. It's a game changer, especially when combined with one of our state-of-the-art dash cams.
Hi Mark, tell me more. How can a GPS and Dashcam system from PROCOM make it easier to manage my fleet and protect my company too?
Well, let me share a quick story. We had a long-time customer, a ready-mix concrete company. One of their drivers had a wreck. If those dash cams weren't on their trucks, no telling what it would have cost them.
Just a fender bender, right? Think again. Cases with verdicts of at least $1 million against truck operators have increased dramatically since 2006, with an average jury award of $3.1 million. Companies facing litigation for verdicts and settlements under $1 million can expect to pay an average of $428,000 to plaintiffs 95% of the time.